Instructions and requests in class. Imiyalelo nezicelo eklasini. Coming into class. Ukungena eklasini. Good day, pupils. Molweni bafundi. Sit down. Hlalani phansi. Please sit down. Ncedani nihlale phansi. Taking out books. Ukukhupha incwadi. Singular. Open your case and take out books. Vula itasi ukhuphe incwadi. Please open your case and take out books. Khawuvule itasi ukhuphe incwadi. Nceda uvule itasi ukhuphe incwadi. In the plural, open your cases and take out books. Vulani itasi. Nikhuphe incwadi. Please open your cases and take out books. Khanivule itasi nikhuphe incwadi. Ncedani nivule itasi nikhuphe incwadi. Looking at the board. Ukujonga ebhodini. Singular. Look at the board. Jonga ebhodini. Please look at the board. Khawujonge ebhodini. Nceda ujonge ebhodini. Looking at the board, plural. Jongani ebhodini. Please look at the board, all of you. Khanijonge ebhodini. Ncedani nijonge ebhodini. Closing the door. Ukuvala ucango. Close the door. Vala ucango. Please close the door. Khawuvale ucango. Nceda uvale ucango. Opening the windows. Plural. Open the windows. Vulani ifestile. Please open the windows. Khanivule ifestile. Ncedani nivule ifestile. Closing the door and opening the windows. Ukuvala ucango nokuvula ifestile. Zolile, close the door, and you, Tami and Tandi, open the windows. Vala ucango Zolile. Nina, Tami no Tandi, vulani ifestile. Zolile, please close the door, and you, Tami and Tandi, please open the windows. Khawuvale ucango Zolile. Nina, Tami no Tandi, khani vule ifestile. Opening the books and reading. Ukuvula incwadi nokufunda. Pupils, open the books. Read. Bafundi, vulani incwadi, fundani. Pupils, please open the books and read. Bafundi, khanivule incwadi, nifunde. Bafundi, ncedani nivule incwadi, nifunde. Taking up pencils and writing. Ukuthatha iipensile nokubhala. Pupils, take up pencils, write. Bafundi, thathani iipensile, bhalani. Pupils, please take up pencils and write. Bafundi, khanithathe iipensile nibhale. Bafundi, ncedani nithathe iipensile nibhale.